Can you see my screen? Once more time, can you please confirm me, am I audible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So already in the previous session, we already discussed now, for example, what is Pojo class, right? What is Pojo
Pojo
class?
class. Yeah.
You know?
Bean
What is
class.
bean class now? Your bean class is a one kind of Pojo class we discussed. Then can you tell me what is entity, right? Can you tell me what is entity? Entity is also a Pojo class now. A special kind of Pojo class. This entity class represents the database table. Yes or no? Database table, right?
Huh.
Okay, your
Yes, sir.
Hibernate software na Hibernate framework. Okay, now use this entity class to create the table, right? To map the table. Any confusion up to now to understand? And maybe I discuss too much now about Pojo class, bean class, entity class. Any confusion to understand? If you have any kind of question, you can ask at this moment.
No, sir.
Okay, then what we discussed, we created one project, right?
Yes.
Okay, now tell me. Okay, so I think, okay, simply I created one project, simply Maven project now, and we are adding some dependencies. I hope no need to explain anything about this, right? Should I explain anything about Maven dependency? And we have created, okay, no need to explain anything about pom.xml file that we cancel. And okay, and come right now, come to the another file. We have created one student file now. Okay, so let me open. This is what? This is Pojo class or right now entity class. You know now all the annotation. This is some getter method and setter method. This is one constructor now. This is one constructor. This is the parameterized constructor. Okay, then what? Then simply is our one default constructor. So any confusion, please, can you please confirm me? Any confusion or not? Same thing, sir. In the same thing. In the same way, we are writing in Spring. We are writing in Spring. In the Spring Boot. Okay, na? In Spring, sometimes you use one annotation. Can you tell me what is the annotation name? @ component, right? Component. Any confusion? But whatever, whenever you are learning Spring, certainly you will know more about this. But can you please confirm me to understand this one? Like what is entity? To define this is an entity class, we are using one annotation. This annotation name is entity now. Okay. So what is the table name? So we are creating one class. This class, first of all, are you listening? Your Hibernate will map this class, and Hibernate, this is consider your database. Hibernate, who will create the table right now? Who will create the table? We are the Java developer. We are not the SQL developer. We are not the query developer. So one table will be created by the Hibernate. So simply we are telling what is the table name? Student table. You can give any name, no problem, right? So we are using one annotation. The annotation name is called table, right?
Table.
Okay. In the table, so right now you are using IDE. So one ID will be created. Okay, right now I don't know why my pen tablet is not working, whatever. So one column name, right? One column name, and another column name email, CGPA. So what will be the corresponding name? Can you please tell me name, right? Email, CGPA. So how many column will be created in your database table? Can you please tell me how many column? 4 or 5?
4, sir.
4 now, because there are 4 okay, 4 members. Okay, so now tell me. So we are defining this ID as a what? Primary key na? So simply we are using one annotation. Can you tell me what is the annotation name? @ ID na?
ID.
So
yes, private.
simply if you use right now, I'm asking you one question. Instead of, okay, if you use ID, okay, now above CGPA, then who is the primary key? Can you tell me? For example, if I write like this way, if I write like this way, @ID na, because I cannot define multiple ID, because what? In the table, only one primary key. Right now, which column is the primary key, or which variable denotes the primary key? CGPA na?
CGPA, yes.
Okay, you can use anywhere according to your requirement. Okay, now this is totally depends on you. Totally depends on you, right? So you need to define. So simply, most of the time we are using ID as a primary key. I hope there is no confusion. Now tell me, you can, okay, another things now. If you want automatically, you can add the value, right? Automatically value. If you don't write this annotation, there is no problem. I repeat once more time, there is no problem. But if you want to the database table automatically add, this is your IDE, this is your ID, the primary key. If you want to add value automatically value will be created, value will be inserted. We no need to define the value. Maybe you already know your database concept. If you don't know, simply ignore. So if we want to create automatically value, to insert the value automatically, we are using one annotation. Can you tell me? I forgot. Generated value, na? Generated value, right? Which strategy we are using, right? Simply we are telling generation type like
Generation type.
auto, like sequence, like identify,
Field type,
like
yeah.
table we can use. Any confusion to understand this point? Please, you can
No.
confirm me.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay,
No.
so you are telling now, can you tell me one table will be created? What is the table name? Okay, now you can change, right? Anything you can change here, right?
Student.
For example, what is the table name? Student table. Yeah. If you write student table, if you write here one, then here will be one also, no problem. Okay, now tell me how many column will be created, sir? 4 column will be created. It's
4
fine.
column.
So column name is what? Column name is name. I think it is quite difficult for me to
ID
draw,
name,
but you are
email.
able to understand whatever I am drawing, right? Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
that's fine. Actually, I don't know why the pen tablet is not working, whatever. Maybe some software issue. Okay, leave this one. So this is email now. This is email. This is email. Then this is CGPA, right? CGPA. Okay, any confusion? Sir, you can ask one question. So I am using the variable name ID, right? But I want in the table, the column name will be, for example, SID. Can you tell me how we can do this one? Or
Variable name we change
I want like this way, student ID, student ID. So where do I need to change? Here only, na?
in. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Oh, student, for example, ST with student ID, right? But it is not recommended. If you want to change, simply you can do one thing. Simply you can use another annotation, right? Control Z. Okay. Another annotation. Can you tell me what is the annotation? Okay, and let me write. Simply we want to give a name for the column now. How we are giving the name for the table? Can you tell me? I forgot. How we are giving the name? At the right table na?
Table.
Table na?
Table,
Then
yes.
what? We are giving here. Use the name.
Table
Any
name.
name na? You can use whatever, depends on you. So how to give the column name? Simply at the rate one annotation. Can you guess? Can you guess?
Column
Value.
name.
Exactly, column na?
Column.
Thanks. Okay. Then name. Any name we can use. Yes or no? Have you got my point? Have you got my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, for example, if you don't write annotation, if you don't write table annotation, no problem, then by default, it will consider the variable name as a column name. How to use? Tell me, for example, at the rate ID na, or ID or column? Column, right? Okay, let me wait for auto suggestion. Column. Have you got the point? Now tell me, any name equals to what? Like student ID.
Yes,
Have you got my
ID.
point, sir?
Yes.
Okay, you
Okay.
can, if you want, you can add the column also, no problem. But let me use one thing, column. For example, like name, student name. I'm not changing other to save the time. So any confusion to understand up to now? Okay, we completed one entity class, right? Now I'm asking you one question. If I ask you to create like employee entity, is it possible or not for you?
Yes, sir.
In the same package, you are creating the class only. Binoy, are you getting my point? Simply nothing, everything is same. Simply you are creating the Pojo class now. You are creating the Pojo class and you are using some annotation, right? Yes or no? Simple thing only, sir.
Yes, yes.
Do I need to explain anything? Anything?
No, sir.
Just simply
No, sir, no.
understand, first of all, one program. Okay, no need to explain multiple program. Okay.
So
Okay, sir. Simply in the same package now, and already you know now in this Java folder we are creating now. Okay, we are creating our actually class or our code, and in this resource folder we are writing the configuration. Okay, now any confusion to understand? I hope no. Okay, now
No,
tell
sir.
me later what were we discuss? Simply we discuss now. Okay, one configuration file. Can you tell me what is the configuration file? Hibernate.
Hibernate, CFG.
Hibernate, then CG or CFG?
CFG.xml.
Excellent.
CFG.xml.
So
CFG.
if anyone asks
Yeah.
you what is it is recommended, it is the compulsory name. What it should be your answer? Is it mandatory?
Yes,
Is this name is
sir.
mandatory?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, mandatory, sir.
No, you can change also. Nothing is impossible, right? If you want, you can use hb.xml also, no problem, right? But I'll show you
Mm,
when I can, no
See,
problem. Anything, simply extension is XML, and you can use any name, right? Okay?
yes.
okay.
Okay. For example, we are
So
using
it
right
will
now,
say
CFG.xml.
sorry. But if anyone asks you what is the configuration file name, simply say answer hibernate dot what? What is the configuration file name in Hibernate? Simply answer hibernate.cfg.xml. I am asking you the question now. What is the configuration file name in Spring? Though you know anything about, you don't know anything about Spring. Can you tell me the name? Application context now?
Application dot.
application.
Application context.xml. What is the corresponding file in Spring Boot? SB means Spring Boot. Can you tell me? Application properties now?
Application
Application.properties.
properties.
I showed you all the things practically. Properties, leave this one. Now tell me, consider.
Yes.
So this is your database now. This is your database. This is your database, and this is our table, right? This is our table, or this is our Java code. Java code, no problem. We are writing Java code, and this is our Hibernate. This is our framework. What does mean by Hibernate? Hibernate is a framework. Already you know what does mean by framework. Some predefined class only now. Predefined class. Okay, predefined component. So consider there is a class called configuration, predefined class. Leave this one. So simply, okay, ignore. Consider simply the predefined class. So we need a setting file now. We need a setting file. So which files? Configuration file now.
Mm,
What is the configuration file? The configuration file is hibernate.cfg.xml, and we are writing source/main/resource folder now. Yes or no? The file name is
mm.
hibernate.cfg.xml. Any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay, leave this one. So simply why we need configuration, why we need settings, simply we are telling to connect with which file. Are we okay? Does Hibernate should connect with should Hibernate connect with MySQL database or Oracle database or any other database, right? What is the port number? What is the username? What is the dialect or translator should I use? Now I explained in the previous day also. I think no need to explain why we need this configuration file or
Yes.
hibernate.cfg.xml file. Okay, any confusion? Can you please
Right.
confirm me? Okay, any confusion up to now?
Yes.
Let me visit.
Yes.
Let
Sir,
me visit.
No, no.
at that column annotations to use the, it means to change the column name, na,
Yeah.
we are using
For example, if you use student.id, then right now what is the column name? What is the column name? ID or student ID?
student
Okay.
ID.
Right now the column
Student
name is
ID.
ID. But if you don't use column, then what is the ID default? It will count, it will consider the column name as ID, right? Is it clear?
It means to store the value in ID, but database store is student ID, column name.
In the column, so it is mapping now. Your Hibernate is mapping ID to student ID, right?
But sir, in mapping times, which variable we are using, sir?
Are we mapping? We are not mapping. The
Um,
Hibernate is mapping
Not.
internally, right? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
First of all, understand one program. Consider you have the database. Right now, consider already you have the predefined table. Already someone created one table, right? So the consider the table name is student ID. Right now, consider the table name is student ID. So you are using right now ID, right? So you want to map ID with student ID, right? So here we are writing the column
Mm-hmm.
name. Hey, Hibernate, please map ID with student ID. Have you got my point?
Student ID. Yes, yes.
ID with the column student ID column. ID, map this ID properties or variable or field with student ID column, right? We are telling like this. So you can consider or you can say like this way also, no problem. Hibernate is mapping, right? ID with student ID. Any confusion?
Yes, sir.
But whenever we are creating, Hibernate will consider this name as a column name, right?
Mm-hmm.
Any confusion? Any single confusion?
No, sir.
Okay, now let me go to the what's happening. Okay, okay, let me go. Okay, so this is our what? Configuration file. Now up to now we discussed,
Configuration
right?
file.
Okay, do I need to explain
Mm-hmm.
anything? Do I need to explain anything? Okay,
No, sir.
first of all, do I need to create once more time or I can explain in this year also?
In this code, sir. Right
Okay,
in this code.
Okay, so Bino, you asked only one question, and maybe also you knocked me to the WhatsApp also. But simply, if you want, I can explain in multiple times, even without this XML file. Now, without this XML file, without this configuration file, we can, okay, now we can write our program.
Mm-hmm.
Don't worry. So let me explain something for you. Okay, factory. So what is happening internally now? Let me cover something. Control S. Okay, so it will be better for me if what is happening? I don't know. Okay, leave this
Some
one.
key pressing, sir.
Control J. It will be better like now. Let me copy all the things. Control A, Control C. Okay, let me paste here. Control B. Whatever. Ignore this one.
Sir, restart your Eclipse. Yes.
No, this is not Eclipse problem now. This is my system problem. Okay. In the notepad also it is
Okay.
doing like this, right? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So this is not problem to the Eclipse. Okay, let me some internal software issue. Sorry for that.
Sir,
Mhm.
cancel this configuration file and open new design.
Okay, I am doing this one, but let me check how many times it is printing the plus. Okay,
Infinite, sir.
just 1 minute. It will be better. Let me use my mouse. I think the problem is for paint of that.
Keyboard, sir.
No, not problem with
Keyboard.
the keyboard. Okay, right now. I think it will be not problem with the keyboard.
Sir, here in right side, one a red square is visible, sir. Just stop it.
Okay,
In
don't worry,
minimize,
I'm creating one new file for you. Just a moment. Let me do all the things. Control minus. Okay,
stop, sorry.
just 1 minute. Okay, I didn't copy. Okay, just a moment. I think the problem is solved right now. So, okay, Control Z. Okay, so now please observe. Okay, let me continue. I think we will not face any issue. Let me delete all the things. Okay, so just observe what is happening now. We have created. So let me simply explain. Okay, so okay, first of all, let me create now. What is okay? Let me Control A, but I think Control A, Control C. Let me paste here. Let me create one file. Control B, Control minus. Okay. So please observe for the last time only I am creating, understand this point. Okay, Control S. So should I create or should I explain here? Should I create a new file or should I, can
Explaining.
I, hmm?
No, explaining. Yes, sir.
Okay, so first of all,
Explain here, sir.
okay, I think it will be better for me as it told me to create. Okay, just observe. Simply we are creating one XML file. Simply we are creating. Then, okay, by default, this first line will come automatically now. We are not adding this line, right? Yes or no?
Hmm?
Now tell me what,
Yes, sir.
okay. So this is, are you observing the extension is what? DTD, right?
Mm-hmm.
What
Yeah,
does it mean by
yes, sir.
DT? Do you have any idea? This means actually D for
No, sir.
document, T for type. Okay, T for type and D for definition, document type definition. If you don't know about this concept, just leave this one. Start simply why we are adding. First of all, we are adding now. How we are adding? Can you please tell me? Let me go to the Chrome. We are adding now, for example, hibernate.cfg now, cfg.xml. Are you observing my Chrome? Sorry, my Firefox. Can you see my Firefox?
Not visible.
No,
Okay, let me
sir.
share the screen. Okay, so are you observing right now? For example, simply we are visiting any website now, any website now, Hibernate configuration.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Copy
And
the
simply we are copying na, simply we are
boilerplate
copying
code.
this DTD line na, simply this line. If you say I don't want to copy and paste from here, or if you want, you can copy from the official documentation also. Okay, official site also. If you don't want to visit the Chrome, visit the online, simply you can do one thing. Go to your Hibernate code na. Hibernate code. Where is Hibernate code? Hibernate
Hibernate core, yes.
jar file or Hibernate jar file. Are you observing Hibernate jar file?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay,
Hibernate.org.
let me click
Oh,
here.
Inside
For
upper,
example, if
sir,
I click here
hibernate.org.
org.hibernate, let me check whether is it. So are you
DTD
observing?
is
Okay, let me
configuration
increase.
DTD.
Are you observing some DTD file Hibernate configuration DTD? Simply you can open. You can open any. You can copy this line also. Now you can copy this line also, right?
Yes, sir.
Control C. Okay. Then simply you can paste here. Control B. Nothing. Okay. Right now we are not getting any error now. Hibernate
yeah, it is gone.
configuration. Then okay, this is the closing tick, right? Control C. Just wait. Control B. Is any spelling mistake?
Closing slash is missing, sir, in Hibernate configuration.
Okay, now. Okay, that's great. Why again this problem? So are you observing right now this problem is solved?
Yeah,
Are you observing Vinay? Control S. Are you observing this problem is solved?
Yes, sir.
But right now you ask, no, I don't want to use this one. I want the previous one also, right? That means Control J.
Sir, I'm
Control
using
J.
this, but
Okay. So I want to use this one, right? So you are asking right now, I want to use this one. Just a moment. Means right now you are telling, okay, just a moment. Let me show you. Okay. So right now you are telling, I want to use from online. I want to use from online. Okay. I want to use this line. Control copy.
so
Are you
it
getting? Are you
depend
getting?
upon version, na?
So let me paste once more time. Right now we are getting error now.
no, sir.
Must be declared. Okay. Are you getting? Bino, you tell me this error now. Can you recall? Okay. You send me this problem. Okay. So here. Okay. There are some issue. Mapping classes. Why not error here? Okay, just a moment. So first of all, now understand what is the purpose of DTT, right? What is the purpose of DTT? One question, one thing. Okay, now let me explain actually. If I don't define this DTT, right? If I don't define this DTT, no problem. Okay. First of all, have you got the point? Why this boring thing happens multiple times? First of all, this point is clear or not? Can you please confirm me?
Yes, sir.
If I
After
don't
removing,
define this DTT, then there is even no problem. Everything is fine, controlless. First of all, have you got the point?
Yeah,
But the question is why people define. But this is not good practice. Let me go to the Chrome once more time and let me paste. Let me visit one more website, for example, like official, like Hibernate. Let me click here. Let me copy this line. Right? Let me copy this DTT. Control C. But the question is why people define or what is the need? What is the necessary? Okay, actually, this is we are not defining this DTT for your what? Control
application.
Control Z, Control Z. Okay, we are not Control D. First of all, are you observing we are getting the error now? We are not defining this DTD line for our Hibernate framework, right? Then we are defining for what? Can you tell me? We are defining only for developer,
SEO.
only for us. Is it clear?
Yeah, man.
Okay, from the next onwards, I will use another system. Or I need to restart my system. I think this is the solution. automatically plus is happening. Even I have no control.
Will be
Okay.
keyboard problem, sir.
Even I changed the keyboard, right? Right now there is no keyboard in my system. Okay, right now no keyboard. Let me connect the keyboard.
Sir, close this file and reopen.
Okay. In the notepad. Okay. Okay. Let me follow you. Okay. Let me open once more time. Okay. So simply, have you got this point why we are defining this DTD?
Yes.
Can you please tell me why we are defining?
This line is compulsory.
Why we are defining this DTD for the developer only? Why? Because consider right now. First of all, why we are defining, I'm explaining, but first of all, understand, okay, how to solve this issue, right?
Yes.
Okay. What you are typing? What does mean by SEO?
I think
Okay.
it is.
Okay, leave this one, understand. Please confirm me, up to now, is there any confusion or not? Yes or no?
No,
Any
sir.
confusion? Any confusion?
Compulsory for any project, sir?
No, this line is not compulsory. First of all, any confusion
No,
up to now, please confirm me this point.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so first of all, why we are defining? Okay, first of all, okay, if you update the project now, most of the time you will resolve the problem. How to update? Okay, leave this class. Simply how to update, just observe. Most of the time, if you update now, how to update, can you tell me? Right click, then where? Are you observing? Can you tell me where I need to click? Maven.
Maven. Yeah.
Then are you observing one thing? Update project.
Great project. Yes, sir.
If you update, most of the time your problem will solve, right? One thing, yes or no?
Yes.
Update project means, sir.
You are
Only
updating your
updated
project
things.
now. Okay.
Means it's deleting all
Okay.
the configuration or
Yeah, everything will be updated. Simply right click, observe, just observe, leave about the plus, observe Maven, then right click, update project. Okay, update. Are you observing your file? And simply click here force update, right? Where should you click? Force
sir. Yeah.
update, then click where? Next. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Simply click here. Okay. One solution, right? Have you got my point?
Yes, sir.
Clean project.
Okay. I'm not updating right now.
Yes.
Most of the time you will get so many issues. Simply you will update, your problem will resolve, right? Any confusion to understand first point?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, clear. Yeah,
Okay.
all clear is the result.
Okay. So right now observe Control S. Let me see Control S. Okay, okay. Let me delete this file. Okay, I will open later. No problem. Okay. Right now, don't save. Don't save. Let me delete all the things. Okay. Okay. Now go to the Windows. Right. Another thing. Now go to the Windows. Then where? Preferences. Right. Are you observing? Okay. Yeah, only it is showing plus. Okay, so simply search for validation. Simply search for what? XML.
Ready.
Simply search for XML. Just observe what will happen. Are you getting something like here XML na XML? Are you observing validation and
Why?
resolution?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Simply click here. Simply okay. Simply click here. Simply this is enable na. Simply uncheck. Right now check. Simply uncheck. Right. Apply. Okay. Apply. Then apply and close. Is it clear? Binoy?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
now
yes.
go to my OR, hibernate.cfg XML file. Okay, now there is no plus right now. Are you observing? Is there any error?
There's a mapping
No, sir.
class. Mapping class.
Mapping class means what?
Plus.
Okay, there is some plus now. Okay, thank you. Okay, is there any error right now? Control S, is there any error?
No, sir. No,
Now
no.
let me right now check it. How to check? I forgot. Preferences, then where should I click? Tell me. XML na?
Preferences.
Simply.
XML.
Okay, go to
Valid.
this option na. Go to this option and validation and resolution. Okay, na? Simply validation and resolution. Simply right now check. Apply, then where I need to
Sure.
click? Apply and close, right? Are you
Oh,
observing we are
apply
getting
and
the error?
close.
sir, where is check enable option?
Okay. Okay, simply go to the Windows, then preference, then
Hmm.
where? Okay, are you observing? Preferences.
XML.
Type XML.
XML and validation.
Type XML, you will find validation and resolution, right? This option, right? Okay, now?
Yes, sir. Where is check? First
Sorry.
option. Where we check, sir?
Simply check and uncheck. Okay, now? Simply check and
Uncheck,
uncheck.
bro.
Uncheck. If you uncheck, then there is no issues. Means what? Your editor, your STS, your Eclipse is not validating, right? Yes or no? Okay.
It
But
means error is not occurring.
error is not available. Why error is not available? Because XML, your right now we are using one tools now. Which tools? STS tools, right?
Mm.
Or XML parser. This STS tool is not validating your XML, right? But this is not good approach, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Most of the time we are not okay. We are getting error. Means are you observing one link here? HTTP one link. If you observe, are you observing simply downloading external resource is disabled?
Yeah.
Can you see?
Yes,
Please,
sir.
can you see?
Yes,
Most
sir,
of the
visible.
time, this is the problem actually. This problem happens because of maybe you are offline or your
Our link is
Eclipse
not
cannot
valid.
download this one, cannot match, cannot use, or sometimes this problem happens. Do you know? Most of the time, this problem happens because the link is not available, or your tools, your STS, or your Antilles idea, or your STS cannot access this link for this purpose. Most of the time, the problem happens. Have you got the point why we can get this kind of error? Maybe the link is not valid.
Oh,
Maybe the link is not
yeah,
accessible.
yes, sir.
Right now, the link is not available. Maybe you are offline. Maybe your STS disable all the downloaded option. Have you got the point? Multiple reason, right? Multiple reason. How to solve? How to solve? Have you got the point? Do you know?
Yes.
If we
Yes.
update, sometimes everything will be solved, or sometimes
Mm.
you can uncheck now. You can go to the Windows, simply go to the Windows, then preferences, then XML,
XML
then
validation. Yes.
validation. Okay, now? Okay, now tell me. Okay, so what we are doing actually? Simply we can do one thing. Okay, sorry for. Okay, so simply Control Z. Okay, now this is our.
Yes.
Okay, this is our link, right? So right now, okay, so simply you can solve another way also. Okay, simply go, are you observing at the below there are two options like design and source? So simply at the below you will find one thing like problems. Are you observing one option called problems?
Yes.
Okay, just focus leave about the plus, no problem. Okay, so simply click here problems. Are you observing problems option?
Yes. Yes.
Is it visible? Please response.
Yes. Visible.
Okay, so simply do one thing, simply right click.
Content is.
Okay, this option show that is quick fix option. It is not clickable. Go to another one. Right click. Are you observing quick fix option? Is it clear first? So please confirm.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Quick fix. Simply click here quick fix. Are you observing it is telling force download of this link? Is it clear? Force download. Select a fix. Simply click here finish. Simply click finish button. Am I clear to explain this point?
Once more, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
First of all, I think
Sir, every time we no need.
just observe. Okay, focus here. So simply go to the problem and go click here, click at the below, right click na anywhere, click right click, quick fix option, quick fix. Are you observing? You cannot click the quick fix button, right? Okay, scroll. Okay, click here, right click. Quick fix option is not available. Right click. Are you observing quick fix? Quick fix.
Yes, sir.
Simply click here or control 1 quick fix. So it is telling now select a fix. Force download this link. It is telling to download this link. Hibernate. Okay, now select this one. Select all. Okay, simply select and simply click here finish. So right now observe. Are you observing your problem? Shift and so are you observing right now there is no issue? There is no issue. Have you got how to solve this problem?
Yes, sir.
Can you please tell me how to solve? Right now there is no issue, right? Just let me wait. Control S. Okay, just wait 1 minute. Okay, let me do one more time. Right click.
Right
Okay,
click,
quick fix
quick
option.
fix.
Okay, simply go to the problems button, right click. Okay. Let me increase this one. Okay, whatever. By the way, I think it is, I don't know why my system is not working, but I think I need to close this session today for these issues. Whatever. But have you got this point how to solve this problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
So
leave about this one, leave about
this
this
session is
configuration
not
file.
upload on the YouTube, sir.
Sorry?
This session is not uploaded to the YouTube, sir, because
No, I will upload. I
some.
will upload this session, right?
Mhm.
Okay, so okay, now let me continue. I hope whenever I'm going to type something, automatically it's coming. Okay, just shift home. Okay, so please can you confirm me any confusion to understand up to now?
No, sir.
Was Larry getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I don't know what is the problem. Okay, leave this one. So okay, you can do the same things. If you face any issues, no problem. You can inform me. Leave this one. Don't save. Okay.
Sir,
Now
in
observe. Now that we
Eclipse
type
ID,
something. Are you observing right now? There is no
click.
error because I didn't save. Right now, there is no error, right? There is no
Yeah.
error. Simply you can fix
Mm-hmm.
using quick fix option, right? So is it clear how to solve? Is it clear how to solve?
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Got it.
Even just try. First of all, try yourself. If you face any issues, no problem. You will inform me. Certainly, I'll try my best to solve you. Okay. So right now everything is okay. Everything is perfectly fine, right? Yes or no? So
Yes.
now tell me. Already you know now, but in Hibernate, we are using one XML file, right? So I hope you got this point. To write simply a configuration file, we faced so many issues. Yes or no?
Yes.
Even in your Spring, can you tell
Yes,
me
sir.
how we can solve this problem, solve this thing? Are we using
In Spring?
Hibernate or Spring Data
Multiple ways, sir.
JPA? Spring Data JPA, na?
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, simply if we use Spring Data JPA, okay, then we need to first of all create a Spring Boot project, right? Already I have created one project, Spring Boot project, right? Do I need to create once more time? I hope no, right?
No, sir.
Okay, can you tell me what is the corresponding file in Spring Boot application? Can you tell me please?
Corresponding file.
Corresponding file in Spring Boot. I mean, we already written hibernate.cfg.xml. Okay, na? This is our file. This is our file. There is no issue. Okay, right click, quick fix, finish. So just wait. Simply right. So I hope you got this point. Okay, now tell me, we are writing XML file now. My question is, what is the corresponding thing? What is the corresponding file in the in Spring Boot? This is my question to you. Have you got my point? What is the corresponding file? So it is
Pom.xml.
why pom.xml. everywhere prompt.xml is available, right? So I hope now, first of all, why we are getting this problem because of this DTD now. It's most recommended to use, go to your event dependency and then where Hibernate code na, Hibernate code.
Yes, Hibernate code,
Okay,
then
then
org Hibernate,
okay, org Hibernate, then
and then
here
configuration
you
DTD
will
3.0.
find one file na. What is the file? Configuration file na. It will be better if I copy this DTD na.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Control C. Sometimes the link is not available. Sometimes link is not accessible.
Link is update.
So we'll get an
Yeah.
error. Are you observing? We are not getting the error right now, right? Everything is fine. Any confusion?
No, sir.
So why we are adding this DTD? Now observe. If I use right now, if I make any mistake like one, we are getting the error here. We are writing a wrong name na, wrong name, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
But if I don't write here anything, okay, now if I don't write here anything, okay, observe, we will not get any error. We will not get any error. Like one, okay, now are you observing? Just let me write here one. Are you getting any error?
No, sir.
Are we getting any error? If I don't write, then is it possible for us to recognize which tag is valid, which tag is not valid? Are you getting my point?
No, sir.
Just observe. If I paste here,
Yes, sir.
Control V, right now it is showing the error only, right? Is it clear?
Yes, yes.
That means what?
Yeah.
We are adding this DTD so that we can understand which tag is valid, which tag is not valid, right? Which property is valid, which property is not valid, right? Inside which tag we can write which tag so that we can understand this one. Is it clear?
Yes, yes.
We are writing this DTD so that if I make any mistake, if the developer make any mistake, now your XML parser or your tools or your code editor will show you the error. Is it clear? Right now,
Yes, sir.
can you feel what is the use of this? What is the use of adding this DTD?
Yes, yes.
And how to solve the problem? How many ways we can solve?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So right now, so we are writing the properties. We are writing the properties in XML. So I am asking you one question. What is the corresponding file in uh, Spring? Can you tell me what is the corresponding file in Spring? Application context.xml,
Application
right?
context, yeah,
What
XML.
is the corresponding file in your Spring Boot?
Can you show, sir?
What is the corresponding file in your Spring Boot?
Application context.
Exactly, I asked this question. So in the application context, okay, observe in the application context. So let me delete all the things. Let me delete all the things.
Sir, where the files? Application context.
So this is can you tell me where this application context available inside the resource folder, right? Let me open
Yes,
this.
yes.
So simply we can add, right, sir? We can add this concept. No need to write any XML and we won't get any error, whatever.
Sir,
I think
this file is similar like a configuration file, 8-bit
this is the configuration file. This is the configuration file in where? In Spring Boot, right? Yes or no? But are
Yes,
we
yes.
creating this configuration file or Spring is creating for us?
Spring is creating for us.
If sometimes Spring doesn't create, you manually create, but certainly Spring will create this file for you. But are we creating application? Are we creating Hibernate configuration.xml file or Hibernate is creating or we are creating?
Manually, Hibernate is
Manually we are
creating.
creating, right? Configuration file na? Inside the resource folder. Inside the resource folder, we are manually creating, right? This file, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
In Hibernate, na? Yeah.
We are creating now. Right click new, then XML file, then we are writing the file name hibernate.cfg.xml. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Any confusion?
No, sir.
So who is creating this file?
Hibernate.
Why Hibernate?
Manually we are creating, sir. Manually we are creating.
I request you. Okay, now I uploaded this video. You can skip this video only. You can means I request you to watch once more time. Even you can you can watch with fast forward, but you will revise, I hope. Maybe you forget. Certainly manually we are creating, right? But Spring Boot will create this file, right? Okay, leave this one.
Yeah, yes, sir.
So simply we are adding some properties. We are adding some properties in this hibernate.cfg.xml file, right? What is the property name? Like Hibernate connection driver class. Yes or no?
Yes.
So simply how we can do in our Spring Boot. Simply no need to write anything. Let me open application.properties. Let me open how we can write. Okay. Simply how we can write. No need to delete this one. Simply we are writing some property. We are writing some property, no XML. So we want to add one observe to connect with database. What is required, sir? Can you tell me? First of all, driver class is
Uh,
required, right?
yes, sir.
Driver class is required. Password is required. Username is required. Yes or
Username is
no?
required. Yeah,
Should I repeat once more
these
time?
are mandatory.
No.
No, sir. These are mandatory.
Okay, URL is required, right? These are properties are required now. So now tell me,
Yeah.
you already know in your Hibernate how we are writing, right? Using the application, using this configuration file we are writing, right? I hope you will practice multiple time. How we are writing? Simply session factory. Inside this session factory, there is a tag. What is the tag name? Property. Then can you tell me? Hibernate connection na driver class, right?
Driver class. Yeah.
What is the property name? Hibernate connection driver class. And what is the name?
Same, sir.
This is the same, na?
Com.mysql
Same way, same
Yeah.
in JDBC, same in JDBC, same in
Driver class
Hibernate,
for
same in Spring, same in OR, same in Spring Boot, right?
drivers. Driver class. Yes.
Yeah.
Anything do I need to
Yes,
explain?
sir.
I hope no. Right?
No,
Any
sir.
confusion?
No.
No, sir.
Okay, simply observe. So simply, what is the property we are using in Hibernate? Just observe this one. Hibernate connection driver class, right?
Mm.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But what we are writing? Can you guess? Can you guess what should I write in Spring? Can you guess what should I write in Spring?
Spring Boot dot
Instead of
connection dot
Hibernate, we are
driver
writing Spring,
class.
right? Not Spring Boot, simply
Yes.
Spring, na? Spring, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Spring dot connection dot
Dot
driver dot
connection,
class.
dot connection, like data source. But thanks for guess data source, right?
Okay.
Spring dot data source
Spring dot data source, then driver
class.
dot class name,
Class.
right? Class name
Yes.
here,
Okay.
one hyphen, not underscore. Simply this thing, nothing more than this. So please, I forgot. Can you tell me how you are writing? Tell me.
Spring
Spring dot
Spring dot
source
source or data source.
data
data
source.
source.
Okay. I hope it will show auto suggestion. Hmm. Okay, let me write here. Simply, if you have pen and paper, you can write this point.
Take screenshots.
Okay. Okay. Data source.
This means
Are you observing Spring dot data source? Then what? Data source.
The
Data source. Then dot now. Then what? Can you tell me driver, right?
driver hyphen class
Driver. Are you observing it's showing automatically, right?
class name.
Okay.
Yeah.
yes.
Okay, leave this one. Let me delete first of all, but let me continue. Okay. Shift N. Okay. So any confusion to understand Spring data source? Then not
Yeah.
driver,
No,
actually
sir.
driver hyphen class name now. Even no need to memorize.
Class name.
Spring will auto suggestive, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then can you tell me what is the name? What is the driver
Same name,
class name?
sir.
I think no need to waste the time.
Same name.
Simply
Yes, sir.
com.mysql.cg.jjc driver, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Control C.
Sir, no need to type any tags. Property like
That's my question is also.
Sorry.
no need to write tags like
Nothing.
properties.
Nothing. If you write any tag or anything, if you use any XML, then what is the difference between your Spring Boot and Spring? Spring is very simple. Now we are telling Spring is very simple, right? Simple, very simple.
Yeah.
You can do this thing. Okay.
Okay.
Nothing more than this. Now another property, Shift End. Okay. So Control S. Let me go here. So now tell me in a Hibernate go to the Hibernate file. Okay, for connection. Okay, so now tell me, this is URL now. What is the name we are using?
Spring
Mm-hmm.
database connection.
By Spring.
Dot
First of all,
URL.
the property name. Property name, then Hibernate connection.url now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Hibernate connection URL, right? Any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay, simply let me write this point here. So can you tell me what will be in Spring? Spring dot data source, tell me. Data source.
Data
So source dot URL, right? Are you observing? Very simple name, right?
direct URL. Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay.
Control S. Simply let me copy from here from Hibernate configuration file. Are you getting my point? How
Username,
you are
driver
writing?
name. Yeah.
This is the
Yes,
URL
sir.
now. Already you know from
Mm.
your childhood, right? Childhood means what? From your JDBC. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
Then can you tell me another property name? Another property name. Username now.
Password, username and password.
Okay, username and password.
Spring
Mm-hmm.
Spring data
Mm-hmm.
Spring dot data source
Mm-hmm. Please tell me Spring dot data source there.
dot username.
Are you Google searching?
Uname.
Binoy, why are you not speaking? Spring dot data source now.
Your data source.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Spring data source simply username, right? Dot username, right? Are you observing? Username. Spring data source dot user, na? Are you observing it is showing username?
Yes,
Username.
sir.
Yeah.
Simply nothing more than this, simply wrote. Is it clear?
Yeah. Then password.
Is it clear to understand? Okay, nice. Then what? Password, na? Tell me.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Spring dot
Spring data
Dot data
source
source
dot
password.
dot password.
simply password. Nice. This is the same thing. We are writing the password. So are you observing? I hope you got this point. I hope you got this point. How Spring Boot is easy or why we are considering Spring Boot. Data source, password. Just are you observing auto suggestion? Simply use your password
Yeah.
also. Any confusion? Whatever the password you have, you can type. Have you got my point?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, nothing more than this. Very simply, we can define the four property. Nothing more than this. And everything is take care by your Spring only. Any
Spring.
confusion?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Spring is very easy.
Okay,
Very easy.
let me save up to now. Control S. Okay. So now observe, I think, okay, so similar way we can write the another properties also, but today let me ignore. Okay, now let me continue. What we want actually right now. I already saved now. I am deleting all the things. For this purpose, I am clicking don't save. Any confusion to understand up to now?
No, sir.
Okay, so ignore about this. Okay, fine. Just focus
No,
on
sir.
your project now. Hibernate day 2. This is our project. Now tell me. Right now we have the configuration file. We have the setting files, right? We have the setting files. Yes or no? This is our
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Hibernate. This is our database, right? Okay.
Database. Yeah.
This is our database and this is our Java program. Everything is ready. Everything is ready. This is our setting files like CFG file, right? Okay. So I'm asking you one question. I'm asking you one question. Do you know in JDBC how we are creating, first of all, which object is required compulsory to communicate with database? Can you tell me? First
Communicate
object.
with.
The first object connection now.
Mhm.
Are you, can you remember or simply you are simply responding? In Spring, in your
Not
JDBC, we are using now one class. Can you tell me what is the class connection?
Get connection.
Hmm. How
in
we are creating
JDBC.
this
Yeah, yes,
connection?
sir.
Head driver manager na. Head driver manager.
Yes.
Mm,
I need the
load
connection,
the
get
driver. Yeah.
connection. We are passing the
Driver
username
manager.
Yes,
password.
sir.
I hope you can
Get
remember,
connection.
right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
If you remember, even there is no problem. If you don't remember, even there is no problem. Consider, I'm explaining once more time. This is your database. And this is what? This is a Hibernate, right? And
Mm,
this is your Java application, right? Okay.
Yes.
yes, sir.
Let me plug in. Okay, just 1 minute. So right now, can you tell me what we want actually? We want Hibernate wants to communicate with what? With database only, na?
Yes, sir.
Your Hibernate wants
Using
to
Hibernate.
communicate with your database. Consider there is a car or consider there is an object. In JDBC, the object name is connection, but in what? In our
Hibernate.
Hibernate, can you tell me what is the object name? To communicate with database,
CFG.
everything is taken care by this object. Can you tell me? I discussed in the
Hi,
previous class, but very
Hibernate
briefly.
CFG. So, yeah.
Object one, object. What is the object?
XML is a file.
Session factory, sir.
Okay, you are
Entity
very
is
close. You are very close. Session factory or
entities, sir.
you are communicating with you are going or you are communicating with your friend using session factory, using car factory or car.
Is car.
Session, sir.
Exactly, na? What is the corresponding name? Session, na?
Session, yes, sir.
Session. Okay. Just observe. Observe session.
Yes, sir.
So tell me, okay. For example, if you want to create, okay, just observe, just observe. If you want to create any car, first of all, what is required? One car factory is required, right?
Mm,
So to create session, what is required was?
Session factory is required.
Session
Session
factory is
factory.
required. To create connection, what is required? Driver manager is required now. Can you remember?
Yes.
So to create session, what
Yes.
is required? Session factory required. Okay, now observe, observe. Whatever I discuss, simply observe. Okay, up to now, we have the configuration file, right? Yes or no? Just fill one program, fill just one program. Remaining everything is very easy. Okay, so this is what, this is our Hibernate, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
This is our configuration file now. This is our configuration file. This is our entity class, right? This is our entity class, right? Yes or no?
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is our database. Now observe who will read this configuration file. I'm asking you one question. Why are
Our
you saying?
Hibernate.
Yeah, our Hibernate, our Hibernate. Who will create this entity class? Hibernate
Developer
na?
creates, sir.
Hibernate na?
Developer. Why?
Everything is
Mm-hmm.
take care by Hibernate only na?
Mm-hmm.
Mm,
Okay, please use response. Be confidence, right? Be confidence because you already know what is the difference between framework and Hibernate, right? Sorry, framework and library. In library, you
yes.
are the boss. In framework, framework is the boss. Framework, everything is take care by the framework, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now please tell me, already we have this thing, Hibernate. So what is framework, sir? Framework means some class na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Framework means some predefined class only, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Why are you silent? What does
Yes,
mean
yes.
framework?
Yes, sir.
Framework. So who will read this configuration file or entity class or anything, who will read? Hibernate, right?
Hibernate is.
Our
Actually,
Hibernate. Yeah.
Hibernate reads or any class reads.
No, no, sir. Hibernate is.
Hibernate is
Yeah,
now
Hibernate means actually what? Any class na?
Mm-hmm.
Hibernate means
internally. Yeah.
predefined class na. So I'm asking you, Hibernate means some predefined class, like one class, two class,
Configuration
three
class.
class, right? Consider multiple class. Now,
Mm.
do you think all the class will read this file? All the class will read this file, or only one class? I'm asking
All
you,
classes.
why all class? Why? If only one class read, then simply remaining all the class can also use, right?
Mm-hmm.
Code Java concept only. So leave this one, not all class, simply like one class is if all class read, if all class uh, read our configuration file, read our entity file, or read our entity class or any other class, then what is the job of other class? Certainly one class perform one thing, another class perform another thing, right?
Yes.
Yes or no, Faisal? Will you create multiple class to perform a single task?
Yes. One class, one.
So, for example, consider this is your Hibernate. This is one class. One class is reading, one class is performing one task, another class is performing another class is performing another class, right? So one class is
Mm-hmm.
responsible to read, to take this, to take this input. Now, another class is responsible to do other purpose. Any confusion? Have you got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So now I'm asking you one question to you. Just consider, think like a Java designer. This is your Hibernate. Consider this is your Hibernate, this is your database, this is your class, this is your Java program. So you are creating multiple class. You are creating what? Multiple class. This is one class na? One class, one class,
Mm.
one class. This is your framework na?
Mm-hmm.
Suggest me any name, suggest me any class name, tell me any class name. I want to know your core Java knowledge. Please suggest me any class name, any name that is suitable, any name, so that you can understand the purpose of the class is to read the configuration file. Have you got my point? Have you got my question?
No.
First of all, tell me what is this? This is Hibernate software, right?
Mm.
Yeah.
This is a Hibernate framework. You are defining the Hibernate framework. What does mean by Hibernate framework? Hibernate framework is multiple class, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I told you, please give me any name. No need to define the class. Just give me any name so that anyone can understand me. The purpose of the class is to read the configuration file. Tell me any name of the class. Suggest me.
Abstract.
Just give me a suggestion.
Student.
Hmm?
Student class.
Yeah, any class name. Tell me any class name.
Student class.
Codon class means what?
Student.
Sorry,
No, abstract or something.
means
He say
I need to write
student class.
something. Do I need to write something?
No, sir. We use.
Class something. Is it your answer?
Mm.
Suggest me any class name. Whatever the class name, tell me, please.
He say student interface. Student.
Will you take your student class here? Simply, I can right now configuration.
No,
The
sir.
class name itself configuration.
Mm-hmm.
Why you are not telling, right? Class name is what?
Configuration.
Please type the class name. I want to see. You didn't tell me, but not problem. For this purpose, please type me. I'm waiting for you. First type. What is the class name? What is the class name you will suggest? Please tell me. Fast response. First type.
I'm not understanding properly. What are you saying?
I'm asking a simple question. Consider you are the Hibernate developer, right? and you are designing the Hibernate. Okay. So, for example, Faisal is creating multiple class. Okay. So you are the junior developer. You are the junior developer. So Faisal is very busy with backend. So Faisal asked you, hey, I am designing any framework. So right now I am designing this class. I am designing this class. So the purpose of this class, the purpose of the class is to communicate, to take this configuration file, to take this what?
Configuration file.
Configuration file. So Faisal is thinking for a name, right? Like a student, like people. So he's asking, okay, tell me the best name, right? The best name for the class. Right now, is it clear?
Configuration.
Is it clear? Have you got my point? Right now, is it clear? Binoy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
To
can you tell me?
understand,
So right now, can you type the class name? Can you type the class name?
Configuration class, sir.
The class name itself a configuration. Is there any problem if I take the class name configuration?
No, sir.
Then
No,
why?
sir,
Then
no.
please type the class name. I want to show you. Okay, configuration. Okay, practice with code Java. Okay, configuration. Why C is lowercase letter? Everyone is making mistake.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Okay, please modify
1
this
minute. I
one.
will type it.
Yeah, right now it's perfect. Okay. So tell me, you have created the class. So how to create the object? Tell me. New, then what? Tell me. New, then what? Configuration, no?
Configuration.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
New
Configuration.
configuration.
Okay. Okay. Any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. New configuration. Okay. Some consider configuration. You know now one object will be created. Okay.
Yes.
We need to give any name. Can you tell me any name like CFG, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Any name, any variable name, right? And you need to give the class name here, right? What is the class name here?
Yes. Configuration.
Configuration. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
First of all, is it clear? Sure? Any
Yes, sir.
confusion?
Create an object. Yeah.
Okay. So you are writing some class and you are writing some object, but who will do the sum? Who will do the work? Method only, na? You are writing the code inside a method, right? Or inside a class.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me right now what is the class name you are creating? You are designing?
Configuration class.
Configuration. Class, C for class, C for configuration. Don't be confused. So right now you are telling to your junior or your senior developer is telling you class name is configuration. It's fine. Suggest me any method. Suggest me any method. I am writing some code, but tell me any method name. Okay, this method will configure. This method will configure everything. So tell me what is the method name?
Sorry. Build session factory, sir. Like
Y
this
session
method.
factory. I want to configure Y session factory. Simply the
Mm,
method name is configure only now. You can design
Mm-hmm.
configure now. First of all,
Constructor.
you are designing one class name is configuration. Inside the configuration class, there is a method. What is the job of the method? This method will take this file and it will configure everything, right?
Yes.
So
Okay.
what is the method name?
Configure.
So how to access cfg.configure na?
Yes. 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 Yes.
Have you understand this two line?
This method.
Yes. Sir, yes.
Have
Yes,
you
sir.
understand? Have you understand this two line?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If you understand this two line right now, it's your job actually. So why I'm not writing. I hope you got this point. First of all, today my pen tablet is not working. Another problem, I cannot type also. Okay. So simply I'm
Sir,
using the mouse.
after configurations, we have to call build session factories.
First of all, forget
That's why
about
I'm
build
saying.
session factory. I hope you got this two line, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir. We
to
create a
understand
class
remaining,
and
you need like another 2 to 3 lines or another 2 lines. I hope I'll explain. Actually, today I had a plan to cover the first program and to store everything to the database, but because of the system problem, I am not able. But no problem. In the next class, I will continue. Right, directly I will continue. Okay. But I
Yes,
hope
sir.
you got this first 2 lines. Right now, what is your job? What is your HW? Simply you will write this 2 line in the group, right? No need to write here. Simply you can write. Okay.
Mhm.
So I'm just simply telling, and I'm requesting once more time. Please, you will see the class once more time. Even you can watch with fast forward or with 2x speed or more speed. Okay. So first of all, I'm writing configure any variable name new configuration, not configuration any variable name new configuration. So cfg dot configure. Okay, na? Any confusion?
Yes, sir.
no, sir, no, no.
If you have any question, you can ask, or let me stop the session. Let me stop the recording. And any kind of question you
Yes.
can ask at this moment. Okay, please, I'm waiting. Or exactly fine. Exactly, you are right. Exactly, that's great. Okay, that's
Mhm.
lovely. Yeah, you got the point, right? So simply another 2 or 3 line, you will understand automatically in the new day. Okay. So first of all, we created the configure object, right? We created what? Configure object. Everything will take care by object. Okay. Any confusion you can ask, or it is better to continue next day. Can I stop this today's session?
Yes,
Let me stop. Any
definitely.
confusion you can ask. First of all, let me stop.